How to get terminated Roblox account back. Now in this video, I'll show you a couple of steps for you to be able to retrieve your Roblox terminated account. Now the very first thing that you want to do if you're encountering this kind of problem, you will usually get this kind of email from the email address or your login username that you use on your Roblox account. Now, appeal option may not be available, but if it is available, then you can still retrieve your terminated account. If it's not available, then what you want to have to do is just use any web browser available on your end and then go into the site that's going to be Roblox support. Now, from here, just choose on appeal your content or account moderation, and then you will be redirected into one of the articles of account moderation on Roblox support. Now, all I have to do here is just scroll all the way down and then click this option here that says need more help. Even if you don't no longer have access into your account, you can still get here. Now input the username, first name, email address, and then from the issue details, just choose on what specific device you're encountering problem from. And then under the type of help category, just choose on appeal a decision. Now choose one necessary option from the subcategory and just need to be specific on describing your issue. Once done, you just have to wait for uh, a certain amount of time frame, and then you should be able to track your appeal decision. And that is how you get your terminated Roblox account back.